Gradient prototyping tutorial. First, prepare the following items: color pastes of various colors, base, gradient tables and pens, paper cups, beater, dryer, electronic scales and calibration waves, paper jams, preparer, small blender. Start making. Open the base bin. The barrel has settled and needs to be thoroughly stirred. Check that the agitator is clean. Start stirring. After 10 minutes, it has been well mixed. The color paste should be shaken well before use. Shake for about 5 minutes and finish. Next, start making according to the gradient table. Open electronic scale. See if it's level. Calibrate the scale. Put in the weights. Remove the weight. Next, start making according to the gradient table. First, we finish the base part. Take a bottle of base. Add base material of equal or approximate weight according to the gradient table. Zero the scale. Add a base of equal or approximate weight. The actual weight is recorded on the form. Apply the mixed base material below to the white cardboard. The preparer is selected to 150 微米. Turn on the applicator. Pour the base material over the white cardboard. Pull down at a uniform speed with the preparer to ensure uniform thickness. Place the script cardboard in the oven. Bake at 60 for 5 minutes. Remove after 5 minutes. Mark the jam. In this way, the base material gradient sample is ready. Then do 6 gradient samples in black. Put the paper cup on the scale first. Zero in. Add base material of equal or approximate weight according to the gradient table. Record the actual weight. Zeroing scale. Choose a black color paste. Remove the black color paste with a pipette. Add black paste of equal or approximate weight according to the table. Record the actual weight. Mix the added base material and color paste well with the machine. After 3 minutes, it has been well mixed. Choose a thickness of 150 microns. Pour over the well-mixed paste. Turn on the applicator. Pull down at a uniform speed with the preparer to ensure uniform thickness. Place in the oven. Remove the jammed paper after 5 minutes. Make the corresponding mark on the cardboard. Let's do the second gradient of black. Put in a paper cup. Zero in. Add the base material of equal or approximate weight according to the table. Record the actual weight. Add the same or approximate weight of black paste on the table. Record the actual weight. Stir well with the machine. After 3 minutes, it has been well stirred. Choose a thickness of 150 microns. Pour the mixed color paste over the white cardboard. Turn on the applicator. The uniform speed pull-down preparer ensures uniform thickness. Place the script cardboard in the oven. Remove the jammed paper after 5 minutes. Make the corresponding mark on the cardboard. Complete the remaining black gradient samples as described above. Next, we do the color part. We need to use the color part. Base. Black pulp. Color paste. We take red as an example. Put in a paper cup. Zero in. Add the base material of equal or approximate weight according to the table. Record the actual weight. Zero in. Add red paste of equal or approximate weight according to the table. Record the actual weight. Zero in. Add equal or approximate weight of black paste according to the table. Record the actual weight. Mix the added base material and color paste well with the machine. After 5 minutes, it has been well stirred. Choose a thickness of 150 microns. Pour the mixed color paste over the white cardboard. Turn on the applicator. The uniform speed pull-down preparer ensures uniform thickness. Place the script cardboard in the oven. Remove the jammed paper after 5 minutes. Mark accordingly. Complete the rest in turn as described above. Red gradient samples and other color gradient samples. Name Huan Chenhu. Introduction. No experience in color matching. Eagerness in work, willing to learn new things. Achievement using color spectrum color matching software for only 1 week. Now able to independently solve 90% of production color matching needs. Next, Master Huan will demonstrate the gradient input operation to us. Turn on the computer and the color spectrophotometer. Switch the instrument display language and click Login. Black and white calibration of the instrument. Remove the black calibration box and follow the prompts on the instrument to complete the black calibration. Remove the white calibration plate and follow the prompts on the instrument to complete the white calibration. Once the instrument calibration is complete, it is recommended that you calibrate it every 8 hours. Next, we operate the color matching software of the color spectrum computer. Open the Color Expert software on your desktop and log in. Then select the Computer Color Matching function module. The next thing we have to do is to establish the raw material library, color matching, and color correction operations, all of which will be carried out in this window. Step E. Select My Ingredients, and then select New to create a stockpile. Enter the name of the raw material library, film thickness and other parameters, and click New. After the material library is created, the substrate used for gradient sample production needs to be entered first. It is recommended to use white cardboard without fluorescent brighteners as the substrate for paint scraping. The CHNSpec spectrophotometer was used to enter the spectral data of the substrate. Point OK to complete the substrate entry, then enter the base. I use Nippon Dream 1000 color latex paint as the base material. Point OK to complete the base material entry, then enter the color paste. First of all, you need to enter the black color paste. Enter the black color paste information and select Gradient Entry. I made wool concentration gradients of black pastes and recorded the actual weighing data for each gradient sample. Enter the actual weighing data corresponding to the current measurement concentration gradient. Click Save, then repeat the above operation to enter the full black pulp gradient. All black gradients are entered and saved. Now enter the next colorant, select New and Continue. Enter the color paste information and select Gradient Entry. All gradients are entered and saved. Then click New and continue to enter the next color paste. Repeat the above operation to complete the other color paste data entry. Click Check all pastes and wait for the verification to complete. When the validation is complete, make sure that all the status columns in the table show validated. At this point, the raw material library establishment operation has been demonstrated. And next, a brief introduction to the recipe calculation operation. Switch to My Color and click New Color. Point next and measure the target sample. Click Next to start calculating the recipe. Select a cheap formula with low color difference from the list of recipes and click Next. Then, according to the recipe data, the raw materials are weighed and the recipe sample is made. For detailed color matching and color correction operations, please watch the Color Spectrum computer color grading video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Color matching tutorial. First, prepare the following items: color pastes of various colors, base, paper cups, beater, dryer, electronic scales and calibration waves, paper gems, preparer, small blender. Start color matching. Turn on the computer. Turn on the color spectrum CSR1N. Boot is complete. Switch the font to English. Click Login. Click Finalize. Click Calibrate. Perform a black calibration. Remove the black calibration box. Snap onto the calibration hole. Click Calibrate. Perform white calibration. Remove the white calibration plate and snap it on the test hole. Click Calibrate. Calibration complete. Click Skip. Open Color Expert. Switch the language to English. Enter your registered email account and password. Click Sign in. Then we select the color matching system and enter. Click New Color Scheme. Select the recorded gradient library and click Next. Enter a target sample name. Click Measure. We target any color on the color scale. Place the detection hole. Then we click on the framing to make sure that the target sample completely covers the inspection hole. Avoid incomplete occlusion and light leakage below. Click Measure. Click Confirm. Click Next. The system calculates the different recipes. We can then prioritize the formulation by overall score, price, or color difference. Then we choose the first one. Click Next step. Here we can choose the formula to any weight. Then we add them one by recipe weight. The base material and color paste must be thoroughly stirred before use to ensure that there is no sedimentation and delamination. Turn on the scale. See if it's level. Calibrate the scale. Put in the weights. Remove the weight. We dosing according to the recipe. First, we add the base 99.371克 according to the recipe. Then add 0.113克 of black pulp according to the recipe. Then add 0.215克 of blue pulp according to the recipe. Finally, add 0.3克 of green pulp according to the recipe. Stir the added paste to ensure that the mixture is even. Remove the white cardboard and select a 150 mm thickness preparer for scraping. Pour the ingredients evenly over the cardboard. Turn on the applicator. The uniform speed pull-down preparer ensures uniform thickness. Place the scraped cardboard in the oven and bake for 5 分钟 use before removing it. Remove the jammed paper. Place on the color spectrum CS81 N detection well. Click Framing. Avoid incomplete occlusion and light leakage below. Then we click on Measure Recipe. Click Measure. Click Confirm. The system obtains the difference between the data of the target sample and the measured sample. Then click Modify Recipe to get a new recipe that narrows the data gap. Then we repeat the previous operation according to the new recipe. Remove the newly formulated script cardboard. Place on the color spectrum CS81 N detection well. Click Framing. Avoid incomplete occlusion and light leakage below. Click Measure Recipe. Click Measure. Click Confirm. At the end of color matching, there is no difference between the target sample color and the formula color.